This cabbage sauce, once you try it, you will never stop making it. Have you ever tried making the cabbage sauce? Well, listen, once you try this, you will never stop making it, lovelies. I'm not even joking. It's quick, it's affordable, and it tastes like something straight out of a 5-star restaurant. Lovelies, it is budget friendly and it's bursting with flavor. Now, here is the best part. Add a few eggs and boom, you've just doubled the quantity without breaking the bank. The eggs soak up with the sauce so perfectly, making every bite rich and satisfying. Now here's the shocker. Even kids who run from vegetables, they ask for seconds with this one. The flavor is rich, the cabbage is perfectly tender, and that sauce, oh my god, it eats every time. It bangs. You do not need to break the bank trying to make this cabbage sauce. I tell you, kids that don't even like veggies, they will clear their plates and ask for more. The cabbage gets so tender and the sauce is finger-licking good. And the eggs, it takes it to a whole new level. You don't want to miss these lovelies, I tell you. Serve it with rice, yam or bread. It's a win-win. It's a winner in every single thing you serve it with, and every single time it wins. It's simple, it's tasty, and it's filling. This cabbage sauce will become your new obsession. It's filling. If you take it as breakfast, you can still till dinner before you eat something else. I tell you, lovelies, once you try this, you will never stop asking for more. Guys, you will never stop asking for more. You serve it with anything you like. Trust me, you are going to love it, and so will your family. This cabbage sauce will become your new favorite. This cabbage sauce is the underrated queen of the kitchen. Once you make it, it becomes a weekly favorite in your house. You are going to love it, and so will your family, I bet you. Let me know, guys, in the description box. Will you be trying it out? Give me a like, and do not forget to click on the subscription button if you find this interesting to watch and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, my loves. And yeah, for this cabbage sauce, this particular one, I paired it with yam. You know, I told you earlier, you can pair with anything of your choice: rice, yam, potatoes, anything you like to pair, bread, anything you can pair it with. So guys, don't forget to click on the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I love you. Mwah. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Bye bye.